California Slime Sisters. But today we're not going to be making slime. We're going to be doing Blindfold Makeup Challenge. And so you'll see. So basically, what I'm going to do is put on my blindfold, sleeping mask actually, and so I'm going to pick one of this makeup type thing, and I'm going to try to put it on her face. So I won't know where her, like, there's lipstick,
so funny.
like eyeshadow, like all that type of stuff. Okay. Should I do it? You need to be more close to me. Okay. I'm gonna put this on. Okay, okay. I'm gonna pick, what is this, Alana?
Lipstick.
Lipstick, okay.
Hey.
What? I can't see. Okay. Is it
Just
up all
close
the way?
enough.
Is it up all the way?
Yep.
Okay. Where's your face?
Right there.
Okay. I don't know if it's on. Okay. I can undo.
No.
Okay. I think that's enough lipstick. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do some skin color stuff. Okay.
That's like,
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Gonna do this shimmer.
yeah.
Okay. I really have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I'm gonna do some eyebrows.
Oh no.
Okay, try to feel your eyebrows are. I think I'm on them. Am I?
I don't know. I can't look till the end.
Oh yeah.
Duh.
Okay, I did the eyebrows. Now, okay, I think
How did them in the middle?
I'm gonna do some blush. Now, okay. Sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna do your cheeks. Okay, is this the mascara?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thing down.
Oh no, okay, the mascara is gonna be
Oh.
probably the hardest.
Oh my
Because
gosh, I'm
I feel like I'm
getting.
getting, okay, yeah. Okay, first I have to feel the wrong end. I know I'm gonna do it wrong. Okay. Wait, Alana.
Okay.
Okay, where's your eye? Wait, no, that's... Okay, your eye. Wait.
Again!
Where is that? Okay.
That's the wrong end.
Oh, wait,
That's
what?
the wrong end.
Wait. Is this the one with the thing?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, why didn't you tell me that? Alana, put your head down. Okay, you don't want to take forever. Okay. Here's your eye. Really got it on your...
Well, you're doing the right end.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're doing the right end.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, this feels so weird.
Wait, I can't get it. I need some.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna do some eyeshadow
It feels
now.
so weird.
Gonna do some eyeshadow. Okay, now I don't know what color I'm doing right now. Okay, close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes. Wait, I'm trying to find your eye.
Oh my gosh, this feels so weird.
Okay,
Oh
oh no, I did that in the wrong place. Okay.
Wait, what color is it?
I don't know.
That's. Oh.
Okay,
gosh.
close your eyes.
It's gonna be so weird.
Okay, did I use all the colors? I mean, all the makeup? Yeah? Wait, no. I don't think I've used this one. I think this is like a
Does
skin.
that look weird?
I think this is like a, kind of like a
Skin thingy.
skin color. She's trying to get some out.
She got like a ton out.
Okay. Okay.
We're pulling
No,
it
I
up.
can't. Okay. Gonna put some right there. Right there. I'm doing like. Okay. Wait, where's
They look
the...
weird. Probably do.
Okay. Gonna add some right there. Okay. I think I'm gonna be done. One, you can look. I can't look yet, so look in the mirror. Okay. And then now turn around to look. Okay. I'm gonna look. Oh my god! I did like list. Oh god!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Oh, and remember to subscribe. And so basically, we are going to be making a really good slime, hopefully.
It'll be good though.
And so, you guys, if you want to get a free slime from us that we'll send to you, you guys have to subscribe, comment, and like. And if you guys do that, we're going to pick a winner, and then we'll send you the free slime. So remember to do that if you want a slime, and thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.